Another train coming. Here. Look at that. I don't know what that is. But it'd be Norfolk Southern 590 or something like that. Man, he's close. I better say Mac, because there was a Conrail later here in the house. Because it was a Leslie RS3L horn. Look at that. And this train better not go slow. I'm telling you right now. His lights are flashing. Now he's in run 8. Holy crap. Which is literally just like... Yep, it's a GE leader. Look at that thing, his helmet is just... Yeah, son! That's some awesome rock shit here! Woo! Holy shit, look at that, son! Woo! Is this H18 or is it like... I don't freaking know. Holy crap. Hell yeah. Very late! Whoa! My golly, I thought I've seen that. Dude, that's so fast. The end.